It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say.
Welcome back to my channel Vicky with Eclipse, and today I'm riding toward KGF, known as Kolar Goldfield. It's been very long time that I visited to that place, and it's my native place to be. And the time is almost around 9:30 p.m. and I'm riding all alone. And there are no prior plans that I'm just visiting to my grandmother house and my brother house, and it will take me around 2 hours to reach there. And I see you guys in the morning. And the next day morning, I visited one of nearby village. It's very beautiful, and one of nearby farming place. I met two beautiful children who were working very hard and helping their grandparents, and I felt very proud for what they're doing. And later that, I visited to my brother house where I picked him up. On my left side, you guys can see that's a gold extraction place, and there are many places such of that around Kola Goldfield. And this brings me a lot of memory, guys. And later that, we visited one of nearby place called as Ulagamadi, the small hiking place uh, where I did some of a little bit of off-roading. So he's my brother Rahul, and here I did a little bit of off-roading. It was real fun, and he's my Eclipse, so Yamaha FZ25. You guys can see how beautiful this place is. This is a view how it really looks from the top of it.
Defeated by the dreams and the memories we've made.
Later that, me and my brother, we plan to visit Kaigal Falls. So it's around 65 kilometer from KGF, and this road is so good that, and I enjoyed every bit of curves, and I was cruising around 60 to 70. It was real fun to be, and even I'm much cautious about what is coming in front. So again, on the way, I took a U-turn, and I just want to do a little bit of off-roading there. I was a bit curious where this place will take me, and I almost ended up to an unknown house. And before any person or any of it, their dog appears, I just got back again on the road. You guys can see how their home is. So and I took an highway, and this road will almost take me to Kaigal Falls. It's around, as I told, 50 kilometers from KGF. I was doing cruising speed of 90 to 100. and again there's a U-turn where this road will take you to Kaigal Falls. So it's around 1 kilometer from where the entrance is. I just parked my bike nearby, and me and my brother, we just walked around 800 meters to a falls. And this place is so serene and so very good that it's not that great, but even it's a very simple place. And you guys can see how good is it from the top of the falls.
To see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say to change your.
So these are simple things where we bikers enjoy more than a road, and more than a ride is that every bit of every meters we just enjoy. And I just got back to Bangalore. You guys can see how that mountain is looking. And here on this highway, what really went wrong is I forgot to take off my stand. So I were around doing speed of 85. So I almost ended up on the right corner of the road. And thankfully, there were no cars or any of the vehicle behind. I just parked. I just wanted to see what went wrong. Is it a side stand or a stone? So I'm so thankful that nothing really happened. And again, it was drizzling like anything. And so on about 5:30 or 6 p.m. I'll be reaching home. It's just that you guys make sure that everything is proper, like wearing a helmet, or make sure that double check that you're taken off your side stand. And investing so much in bike that not spending anything on the helmet is very sad. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.